Good night. My, my name is Juan Pablo and I am Colombian. I am a student and I speak Spanish. I am 22 years old. I like to ride motorcycles. I had live people. I am a student industrial engineer and the university. I I wake up at 0 o'clock a.m. I take a shower and get ready to go work. Then I have breakfast at 7 o'clock a.m. I leave my house at 10 minutes past 7 a.m. for work and return at 12 o'clock p.m. to take my lunch, and I take a break back to work at o'clock p.m. I leave my work at 6 o'clock p.m. At arrive home and then I do homework from 7 to 10 o'clock p.m. and then I go to sleep.